Well, here we have an MTH Premier box. This is the first brand new, never owned by anybody else before, MTH Premier product I've ever purchased. We're going to open it up today on Rick's Tracks 3-Rail Trains.
Everybody has a neighborhood. Some are bad and some are good. No matter where you're from, I think you should come down to Carnegie Town.
Well, here's the end cap. You see the model number here. Barcode. West India Fruit number 722. 36-foot Woodside reefer. Now, I saw this before. In fact, I've ordered 36, not this one, but 36 Woodside reefers that I'm waiting for from the TCA. So I'll show a slide of what I'm expecting later in the video. But this is a nice car, and we're gonna open it up right now. Here we have the India Fruit Company reefer. Let's open it up. Now, I've seen this in person and handled it. They had a sample open at the store. And the delicate details on this car are amazing. So if you're thinking about a 36-foot reefer, there's the book. If you're thinking about a 36-foot reefer, this is going to show you all the fine details. There we go. Beautiful little car. Now, believe it or not, this latch here actually operates. You can open up the door. I'm not going to do it, but those doors open up, as do these hatches here. Look at the detail here. Now these cars are about $65 to $70 depending on where you buy them. And special runs run a little more. Custom runs run a little more. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. There's the logo. Now, the West India Fruit Company was responsible for a lot of things in Florida. After the hurricane took out Flagler's Railway to the Keys in early 1900s, they started a ferry system, and they would ferry cars, fruit, whatever, all the exports from Havana to here in South Florida, bananas and things. Of course, this is all before World War II. They essentially ceased operation when the Cuban Revolution happened in the 50s. Might have been before. So we're going to put this on the layout and take a look at it. And I think I'm going to pull it behind, I'll put a little consist together using my Camelback. Okay, here's a up close and personal look at the reefer. Like I said, this little lever actually opens and these doors open up. It's not something you want to do on a regular basis. Beautiful detail in the trucks. It's plied ladders. Very clear lettering. What's really beautiful is look at this brake wheel. Can you see that? Let me get that in focus for you. Look at that brake wheel right there. Oh, there it is. There it is right there. That's really something. And this lettering here. Just beautiful. And Detailed undercarriage. Okay. Air brakes. Quite nice. I'm impressed with it. Like I said, this is my first MTH Premier product. I don't really run scale, but this fits on my small layout. West India Fruit and Steamship. I can't wait for the other ones to come in now. Well, here it is on the track. Now, I've set it with some semi-scale stuff, and of course a scale camelback. We're going to run it around. Just a beautiful car. Oops. Those pesky couplers. Huh. Well, for some reason, well, as you saw, the couplers weren't working. And I just bought this, so I took it back down to the store. And it turns out that MTH is having a problem with their couplers on a series of cars, and this just happens to run in the series. I'm going to throw up a slide that's going to show you how to fix it, and that's been done. So we fixed it, and the coupler's locked now. They weren't closing before, and that's why it took off the way it did. So I'm going to put this back on the track, get everything set up, and then we're going to take it for a run. All right, so here it comes. Good looking car. Once you get the couplers adjusted, it should be great. Now, as I said before, I've got 3 more of these 36-foot wood-sided reefers on order from TCA. And we're going to show you that slide in a second. And that's some special run that they did. There's 6 total. I only ordered the 3. But I can't, after fixing the coupler, this is a great car. The detail, the paint, it's just beautiful all the way around. And it'd be a great addition to anybody's layout. We're going to take one more look at it here. Just a beautiful car. By the way, there's 2 car numbers for this. This one is a 722. They have 2 road numbers. This is a slide from the TCA Fort Pitt division, also the Eastern division. As I mentioned before, I've got 3 additional 36-foot wood-sided reefers on order from the TCA. They're producing 6 total reefers styled after the Pennsylvania Railroad. These Pennsylvania Brewing Company reefers feature the names of local towns, each with their own beer variety. The road numbers are historically important years for those cities. They are going to be the same cars as what we just looked at, but with a different paint scheme. As you can see in the picture, it's the traditional Pennsylvania colors with the names on them. I ordered the West because I'm from the west end of the state, and you can order them from the Fort Pitt division of the TCA or the Eastern division of the TCA National Division. I think they're $250 for a set of 3 cars, and that includes shipping. They're going to be shipping real soon, so you get your order in if you want them. As promised, we're going to go over how to fix the couplers on these MTH cars. This product fix was announced April 6th, and what you do is, you see the little tab here? You're going to use a flat screwdriver and bend this bar up until you get it to latch, because you just push it in and there's a slight click. You may not be able to hear that on the video, but there's a slight click, and then you won't be able to pull that open. And it's just a little adjustment here, and it's a whole series of model numbers on. You can see it on the slide there, and that's a copy of the memo from Rich at MTH, and that's the fix, and that's what was done to my car to get it to operate correctly. Thanks for watching, folks. That's all I have for you today. Please remember to hit like and subscribe. Comment down below. We'll see you next time on Rick's Tracks 3-Rail Trains.